Good afternoon, traders. This is Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's the Midday Market Minute. Equity markets are bouncing back from yesterday's poor session. Really, the S&P remained confined. This was our major three-star resistance up at 28.29, 28.33. It stopped there, went down to major three-star support, 28.12, 28.14. You had this range-bound trade, support held, and now we're moving back above the overnight high, 28.22. We talked about in the Morning Express how those resistance levels provided the trade opportunities. Really, we like leaning on that buy down there. Above 28.22, as we talked about, gives the bulls the immediate term driver's seat, and you get a close above major three-star resistance. That's very bullish. So watch for that. The Nasdaq's also powering back right now, moving back through the 50%, and it looks like now the 618 retracement from yesterday's fallout. So watch for this. Good closes today should garner some momentum, but we have Facebook after the bell, as well as Visa and AMD and others. So watch for the earnings. Now moving on to crude oil, a big draw. It's over 6 million barrels, much more than expected. It's got crude moving higher. 68.88 is the level we're watching. You got to see it close above there, for the bulls to really remain in the driver's seat. Even though it closed above, closed just below 68.88, isn't bad. The failure to really start moving and gaining ground would be starting to disappoint us. So watch for that. And remember, it closed below 68.25. That's bearish because that would be more of a failure given today's price action. We really want to see it close out above 69.60, 69.90. That becomes very bullish in the market. We'll expect an acceleration higher as bulls chase back into the market. Lastly, with gold and silver, they're starting to stall out from this early pop. Resistance in gold, you have that right at the 1238, 1235 area, falling back right now. You do not want to see gold close below 1225. That would encourage further selling. Watch the currency trade too, with the ECB coming up tomorrow. See a lot of volatility. The yuan is starting to gain a tiny bit on the dollar. Watch that, though. The yuan can gain some further ground. That's going to help gold. Give us a call. We're here to talk about anything on the board. 312-278-0500. You can email us info@bluelinefutures.com. You can check our website for updates, and you can sign up for a free trial of our research there. But remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. Is not suitable for all investors. Thank you.